You can as well just, I don't know, start procreation. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi, aka the Owanbe Queen. It's been a while. I did a video on my YouTube channel. I know I am coming back with an explanation video on an in-depth video of what has been going on and what is going to be happening moving forward. I've been recording on Instagram. I've been doing reviews, testing out products, testing out new things. So that is one of the things that has been happening. I want to react to Owambe videos. I haven't been to an Owambe in months, which is like, what? Apparently, I have two Owambes this weekend, but I'm not sure whether or not I'll be going. I'll still decide later in the week. But I decided today, let me attend, let me get the vibe, let me get the feel. I remember tweeting one time that I was going to dress up and just dance in the house, which, well, you really can't be like attending Owambe. So just to have the feel a little bit, I've decided to react to one of the videos I randomly saw on YouTube. I haven't finished watching it. I just saw like clips. I was like, it would be nice to do this on YouTube. So let me know if you guys like this type of content, because I feel like I'm going to enjoy it. So without further ado, let's into the video. All right, so I got this video from Nigerian Wedding Diary. This is like a compilation of wedding videos or wedding entrances. That's right. Here you can see that the guy took off his suit, which means that he's about to drop it down. If he doesn't drop it down, then not to disappoint me. That's right. Hey! That video was short. What's it called? I whip my hair back and forth, and it's very rare to see like big girls. Well, it's not rare. I mean, I'm a big girl, but like seeing big girls rock it, like killing it, like she's like, see, if his husband I'm here to find, I will find him. I don't want to know. And her dress is really beautiful. Her hair is gorgeous. So this guy is giving me Casey Limpopo vibes. Like, I can't be too stressed, I'm rich, I can't dance too much, That's the vibe he's giving me. And his hair is so beautiful, nicely braided. Like, everything is looking very clean and sharp. But the babe, I'm sorry, I'm all about the babe. Love her energy. Like, she's killing it. See, everybody's turning like, hello. Give me Limpopo vibes. It's just there. It's for me rapper. Baba, you cannot dance. We can see, but it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. You can dance. Is that guara guara? Because that day you look like you are. I don't know. You look like you are doing something else. It's not guara guara you are doing, but we manage it. A girl that can best say in a dress. Okay, let me pause this. See, as a video person, right? We want to, well, I've done weddings in the past as a videographer. You want to capture the best dances or the best people, the people doing the most. So like, I remember there was a time that I covered a wedding and there was a groomsman and a lady, right? The guy was dancing, but the babe was just standing like, I didn't know. And, at first I had the camera on her trying to do smooth, but her vibe was dulling me. And I knew that this is not what anybody wants to watch at the end of the day. So guess what I did? I moved to the man that is dancing, because really that is what we need. Like, The couple wants to remember that their wedding was litty, not, you get me? So I understand the video person focusing more on this lady, like, girl, you're giving me the vibes I want. That's why he's focusing more now, because Baba has one leg in the air already. What put his second leg? Oh my god. Anyway, I'm just trying to say why the camera is focusing more on her. It's understandable because this is another black girl, big girl, killing it.
Body. Oh yeah, move body. Make you ring alarm.
By the way, I know a lot of people don't agree with me on this one, but like black, let me ask Bolu. Bolu, what do you think of black bridal dress? You don't like it? It's not flashy. Wow. Personally, right, me, I think that black dress, like full length black dress for bridesmaids, I feel it's beautiful. People rarely do it. Like, I have aunties that they will never wear black. They will never be caught dead wearing black. Caught dead. Even if they die, they wear black for them. They will wake up and tell them, remove it. Like, even to their underwear, they don't wear black. They like white, cream. Not because of cleanliness, so nothing that maybe because they're trying to be clean. It's just because of religious reasons. But I feel like black bridesmaids dress is very beautiful. Like, have all the ladies wearing black and you're wearing white. It's not like maybe you're trying to outshine everybody because your wedding day, well, black is beautiful. And I like that, you know, the bridesmaids are wearing black.
Oh yeah, shake body. Them girls they feel me now, cause I get some money, then they feel me now. But then they do me anyhow. I don't get some money, they wanna get
It's
out.
like a competition. The two of them can dance. Like, there's no winner here.
They want hold me for ransom, cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm handsome. Them want know where I come
Just
from.
when Shoki was raining, because they're like, hey.
My they run from Lagos to London. All the blessings and love I they see just they make me they shout hallelujah. I say all the blessings and love I they see just they.
Okay, next comment. Can you see black bridesmaids? Black bridesmaids dress, very beautiful, beautiful. But if you tell them now, if I'm doing wedding, you will wear black. If you don't want to wear black, don't come for my wedding. I'm joking. I probably will not even have a bridal training. I didn't have energy for stress. I usually say I didn't have energy for stress. So no Ashwebi, probably no bridesmaids, unless maybe they force me. They say you must have. But like, I doubt I'm going to have. I've never really thought of, oh, my bridesmaids, this person will be my bridesmaid. This person, I've never thought of it because it's stress. I beg everybody, wear what you have. Come, eat and go. Dance, eat and go. Spray me money, by the way. You must spray me money if you come for my wedding. You must spray me money. It's a must. Hey. Come and see his uncle's leg. I have to come Bolu to see this. I'm sorry, I have to take you back. What is he trying to? Can somebody explain to me what this dance is? Because me, I don't understand. Baba, what happened? The fact that he completely bent his legs. Oh my god. The fact that kilo day. There's no coming back. He's just doing. He can't dance. From that first move. He can't dance, one. He's trying to do some leg movements. I don't know what that is. And then he's paying attention on the babe because he knows she's the one that can dance. So she's taking the shine here, which I get, you know, it's tactic. We've got the wedding, we've seen it, we know. Do maybe. Don't smile. okay, this happens a lot where maybe the bridesmaids are more than the groomsmen, or the groomsmen are more than the bridesmaids. As you can see, they have 2 guys to a girl. I hope she kills it and owns the stage. Yeah. Can you imagine? I'm laughing. Me. That guy's dance is rubbish. Hey, hey. So the guys are there, like, we can't, rich people, they don't stress, but madam is like, best say, just ain't doing. Hey, hey. He did just remove the button of his suit to rock this guy. You people, you're not in a Nigerian wedding again. The moment you can boldly rock a babe with elders of the church in attendance, your family members, your daddy's uncles, your daddy's sponsor, your mommy's prayer warrior partners, your choir master, and you are rocking girl like this? There's a song that my friend usually sings. It's a Yoruba song. It says, Ọlọ́run mi o kini ma ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi o kini ma jẹ yo. You see, that song is the song for this thing. Like, kilo malo jẹ you. What will you say you eat and belle full that you now want to be rocking man in a wedding? Well, it's not like you are the bride. Even bride gone, you rock your koi in the midst of okay. You can as well just I don't know, start procreation, because I'm sure they show the faces of the, anyway, it's a broad wedding, so they are kind of lenient. I'm just trying to imagine a Nigerian wedding and people are doing, they'll say money ran lele more they club lots of ball. Oh my god, but anyway, let's move on. This one. Hey, it's not focusing. Focus. Don't worry. What? Okay, let's go on. Why did you not carry train? So guys, that is it for this video. I actually had fun watching and reacting to this video. Can you see tears on the jabber? I had to touch up my makeup in between. Probably the next time I'm going to do this, I won't do makeup. Let me know. I don't know if there's anyone you feel like I should watch and react to that will be worth my time. Like, I enjoyed this. Drop me the link down below. I will be reacting to more Owambe style videos very soon. Weddings, birthdays. I'm not reacting to burial in Jesus' name. And yeah, shout out to my younger sister, Dolapo, for helping me with my makeup. Shout out to Bolu behind the camera for helping me, with the setup and everything. And she did some video with me by. That is it. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.